Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And for the most part, a nice summer day. A few communities had a very brief interruption with a downpour and a thunderstorm, though at this point it's been more the exception rather than the rule. Now go to live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Can you see the thunderstorm? Barely. It's like a speck on your TV set, so let's get in even closer. I mean, talk about very small and localized. It's right in here in between Pawtucket and Attleboro, and you're getting real close here, and it's a heavy downpour. In fact, this little icon that's showing up on our storm algorithm, it's a program that we use embedded within the Doppler radar system, and it takes three-dimensional analysis of the storm, and it determines whether or not it has the potential to produce hail. And there's a small chance of small hail associated with the system as it continues to track off to the north and east. In fact, I can widen out the view just a little bit and just kind of show some perspective as it tracks off to the north and east. And eventually these storms have a shelf life of like 10 minutes and then the sun comes right back out. So just a brief interruption. New storm in the Atlantic, Tropical Storm Ernesto. In fact, to give you an idea how far away this is, it's the coast of Florida right up in here. Out in the open Atlantic, top winds of 52, gusts to 63. It'll make a steady track off to the west into the Caribbean, and by the weekend or perhaps into early next week, Monday and Tuesday, may become the season's first hurricane. Well off to our south, and more of a concern if this track holds true out towards the Gulf of Mexico next week. We'll obviously keep you updated. Sunshine in Providence now, 81. Dew points very high, a very humid atmosphere. Certainly feels like August, warm and muggy. Humidity now at 69%. Temperatures range from 78 Newport, Smithfield 84, as well as Taunton here in Providence coming in at 81 degrees. On the wider view, you don't see anything widespread. You don't see a lot of green indicating, widespread rain. There's just these little isolated pop-up showers, and that is pretty much the theme right on through the weekend. I mean, each day, for the most part, looks okay, but every now and then you get a little brief interruption. Here's a classic example on the Futurecast. Watch this. This evening at 7 o'clock, partly cloudy, but otherwise quiet. Some low clouds overnight, some patchy fog. That'll burn off. 7 o'clock in the morning, clouds giving way to sunshine. Watch what happens in the afternoon. I mean, just these little tiny specks of green popping up, perhaps a brief 10-minute shower or thunderstorm. Goes away, the sun comes out. So again, don't cancel any outdoor plans. It should be okay for tomorrow, though very warm to a borderline hot. We'll be in the upper 80s to near 90. Any risk of scattered showers at 8 o'clock is gone. Partly sunny, 76. Midnight at 72. Late at night, low clouds and some fog after midnight towards daybreak because the humidity is so high. Very warm night readings in the lower 70s. Any leftover low clouds and fog at sunrise burning off to some sunshine, 76 to 86, the morning range in temperature. And heading up to the low 90s tomorrow under partly sunny skies. Little brief interruption in a few spots with a 10-minute shower or thunderstorm. Nothing more than that. Beach is not bad. I'd say after 10 o'clock the clouds and fog will be burning off. 7-day outlook, warm and humid right through the weekend under partly sunny skies. Again, the weekend's not a washout, but a brief random pop-up shower can't be ruled out each afternoon. Again, doesn't last very long. Actually, a better chance Sunday night into Monday. Temperature at 85 and overnight lows in the 70s. Almost like Florida. If you've ever been to Florida in the afternoon, you get a quick shower, then the sun comes out. That's the kind of deal we're in right now.